What up, Swerving fam? Today is the big day. I'm about to do what I should have done on the way home from the dealership. Muffler delete.
Jesus Christ.
I'll post the finished result plus some more clips after that. So I'll see y'all when we get there. Alright, y'all, so we here at Extreme Performance Mufflers. I've been waiting too long for this. I'm excited to see what it's gonna sound like. I know it's gonna sound mean. Alright, man, I'll see y'all when we get to it.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold his eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Alright, they finally finished it up. I hope they stop that song when he starts because I want to hear it. I want to get a good sound. Alright. Yo, that sounds so good. Alright, y'all, so that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, this is my photo I took of my car. I am a photographer, so don't be hating on my photos. Alright, see y'all on the next one. Peace!